Ooh, it does smell good, y'all. And it feels divine, you guys. It is a beautiful, beautiful product. What is up, my channel friends? Welcome back to Attorney Brooke. Today, I'm gonna be sharing with you the coveted Skkn products. I actually only got 2 of them, and I'll tell you why, but let's jump into it. And I wanna show you guys what I snagged and get your thoughts on it. So I did already crack open the box, but I do wanna show you like how it looks packaged. So it comes with, I would assume, like that recyclable type of like crate crinkle paper, and then here it is in this little box. Let's jump into it. I grabbed the exfoliator, which is like her physical exfoliator that was dropped. They come in this packaging. I would say, obviously, if you buy skincare from like Sephora, Ulta, whatever, Walmart, it's gonna come in like some sort of cardboard packaging. I would assume that this is like her version of that. It comes like this, and you rip this little piece up, and then then you get to the actual Holy Grail product itself. I would assume that perhaps this is some sort of recyclable material. It's like that soft, almost like a construction paper feel. But here's the exfoliator product. Pretty like deep taupey, like slate gray color. The twist top is how it comes off, and it lifts. And then I had peeled it up earlier, but then you have the seal. And then you can see the product itself. You can see that some of it might have settled just a bit, but overall good oily consistency, but doesn't look overly abrasive at first sight. This is her physical exfoliant. I'm just gonna go in and grab a pretty chunk of it. This is super firm. To me, that's telling me like a little goes a very long way. You just have to snag a bit. Here it is on the hand. First, like, initial reaction is this is superb. Very small physical exfoliant, like particles in there. So it's not feeling super aggressive, but mixed with like whatever that oil like consistency is, that underlying formula is just giving me like all the moisturizing, like hydrating feel. Here, the physical exfoliant's literally working, and yeah, that's amazing. Ooh, it does smell good, y'all. If you're a fragrance-free person, or it's like fragrance-free or bust, then this product's not gonna be for you. This most definitely has some added fragrance in it. I'm not sure what it is, but it's giving me like citrusy, but like floral vibe. Yeah, super pretty. This is coming in a 1.6 fluid ounce container. So I wouldn't let the size of this fool you. You're probably not getting a whole lot. This is a 0.5 and this is a 1.6, I think. So like you are getting like over double the product of this, but still it's not like you're rocking with all of your product in this one size container. Nonetheless, beautiful packaging, super sleek and chic, and I like it. Now I am going to go rinse off the back of this exfoliant that I've been like working into the back of my hand, and I will show you guys what I think. I'll be right back. Okay, I just rinsed the exfoliant off, and my hand feels like a freaking, like a baby's ass. It's so soft. Holy moly. All I'm saying is like, those of you that want to hate on Kim or the Kardashians, like she knows how to make a physical exfoliant, and holy crap, I haven't tried it on my face yet, so I can only imagine. What a beautiful treatment for like those kinds of areas that you want to keep like youthful. I would say snag it, throw it on the back of your hand, obviously face, cleavage, décolleté, all of that. Great product right here. The next product I got were the oil drops, the Vita C Glow. There's that labeling for it. Again, it comes in that outer containing material. You just pop it open and then it's gonna reveal the product itself. Here is the packaging and for it. Lid pops off and you have just your standard pump And these oil drops are like vitamin C forward, I guess. And so here it is. It's very runny, so I want to be careful. I don't want to lose some of the product. So it is runny. So pretty liquidy. I would say a little goes a long way. Here it is on the back of my hand, and it feels divine, you guys. I'm not getting any sort of fragrance with this one. I would think maybe because the physical exfoliant is more of like a ever so often treatment, more of like a treat. It's not your everyday. So maybe that's why there's more of a fragrance in it versus the vitamin C oil is, I think, meant to be incorporated within like a daily routine. Super nice. So my overall thoughts on the line is, yes, it's expensive. No, I don't think it's readily and economically sustainable for like most individuals. If you were to like incorporate the full 9 steps of her system on a daily basis, it's something that's just only going to add economically to the maintenance of your like skincare and beauty. But if it's something where it's like you just find that the skincare line works for you, then obviously have at it. I didn't buy the full collection. First and foremost, I didn't want to spend that money on it because I already have a lot of skincare that I'm committed to that I've worked into my routine. I don't need to buy all 9 products. And also it was sold out at the time, but I was still interested in getting my hands on some of these items because why not? I'm a Kim Kardashian fan. Sue me. Don't really care. And I wanted to really try it. The reason why I chose these 2 products at the time when I went, I do believe all her other products were available, just not the full value set of it. I chose the vitamin C oil and then the physical exfoliant because these are 2 items that I don't really have incorporated into my established skincare routine, but also like with the physical exfoliant, obviously I have other ones that I've shared with you guys, like the Summer Fridays. I have some Peter Thomas Roth. I have some great physical exfoliants. To me, a physical exfoliant is something that's like a treat. Like if I'm taking a bath or like doing like a steam facial or something and I want to do that, it's more of a treat. So I thought, why not? Let's try this. So if I don't absolutely love it, it's not something that I feel guilty not incorporating into like my everyday routine, but it is a beautiful, beautiful product. Most people like want to hate her, but like I can't, it's good. And then why I picked the vitamin C oil is because I was thinking to incorporate something a little different into my routine. I do have a night oil that I use. I shared with you guys before, the Summer Fridays Heavenly Skkn all-in-one night oil. This is a lot thicker and it's more of like that heavy duty sleep in, get your hydration type of oil versus this one is obviously, like you saw the way it deposited onto my hand, is almost like liquefied oil, and it's clear and it's infused with, it has the concentration of vitamin C, which I feel like I can't get enough of. I do have my go-to every single day vitamin C CC Me serum by Summer Fridays that I love, and I have shared with you guys in my empties video. I've gone through about 62 million of these, and so I swear by it. So I just thought like this would be such a cool thing to add a couple, like a little blip into like a moisturizer or something that you're adding on to your skin, like as an AM routine type thing, to give you that boost of vitamin C that's going to give you that boost of hydration and also the brightening element that we love to have on our skin, but also a bit of like that oil that's going to give you like that hydration, that underlying like thirst of your skin is quenched and your skin's going to look like your skin. Now, I have not implemented this yet into my routine, so I cannot tell you for me, who's extremely oily, how that's gonna affect my skin. I don't know, but I will report back to you guys. But I just thought this was a cool product to try, even on days where like you're not going full glam or like you're just hanging out at the house, like running errands. This would be such a good product to pop on to give yourself like that good quenched, just like you as you skin. Those are my initial thoughts on the products. I know her products have been dropped for a little bit now. She's done a restock. So if you guys have gotten your hands on anything different or even these products and you have anything to share with me, let me know. I'm gonna work my way through these products and follow back up with you guys at some point on my overall thoughts. Maybe when I do another empties video, I'll kind of explain more of that outlook on the products. But nonetheless, I am a KKW, she ain't KKW anymore, a Kim Kardashian fan. Don't care what anyone has to say. I love their show. It's like freaking hilarious. Just, it's not because like I'm so invested in their life. Like, no, don't care. It's actually like jaw dropping to like watch them just like live their life and like the utter opulence that they live in is just, how can you not watch it? Their houses are fucking fabulous. Their cars, like, you're done. They're everything. The glam, the makeup is so like, when they show like Kim's, her closet room that's like as big as my apartment, like I die. The latest season now on Hulu was just like, oh, so funny. The episode, if any of y'all have watched it, where Kylie and Chris go to the grocery store, y'all, oh, bless our hearts, bless our peasant hearts. It was like, some people said she was like it's out of touch and like tone deaf. I'm gonna get canceled, but I don't think the Kardashians really care, and I don't think they're in the line of like being canceled. I do think they're good people. So it was just funny like watching them like go through like a Whole Foods or some shit, and like they have never grocery shopped. Like they haven't grocery shopped in like half a decade, and like they obviously have people that do it for them. So they literally like drove their fabulous G-Wagon to the grocery store, like grab their shit and like play around, and like, oh my god, I've never even seen this, pulling stuff off the shelf, and like getting to actually swipe their credit card was just like a treat to them. So funny. Like obviously like you lose a couple brain cells watching it, like whatever, it's just like my guilty pleasure. And like for anyone that's gonna gripe about Kylie and Chris and the little episode with the grocery store, y'all know Oprah did that like a decade ago, longer back, when she was on the Ellen DeGeneres show, I'm pretty sure. And I'm pretty sure Oprah thought like they went to a Walmart, and like the little carts where you like the little like mini doorways where you push the carts into like the cart storage area. I'm pretty sure Oprah thought that like that was the opening of the entire store, because like she as well doesn't do her grocery shopping, and like it's just, these celebrities are on a whole other levels. Anyways, I do know that Kim Kardashian, in her announcement of like developing her skincare and such, like she did work with professionals, put a lot of time and like passion into these products. So I really did want to give them a go, and I like them so far. If you liked this little unboxing and this review, please give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment, let me know what you think, or if you've gotten your hands on any of her other products. If you want to see more of my content coming your way, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.